Alright, welcome back ladies and gentlemen to the Chupacabra Tutorials channel. I'm your host Larry. Today I'm going to show you my favorite place to level stealth experience inside of Abiotic Factor, which involves just hanging out behind one of the order soldiers here inside of like the crafting area, the workshop of manufacturing. They've got like this locked restroom, and then that way is the tram. If you come down here in this hallway, just past the garage, inside of here, you can go up this elevator. And at the top, there's a couple of things you might want. There's an order soldier right there that we're gonna hang out and sneak behind. And then there's also this dead guy that you get the uniform for manufacturing. So make sure to click him if you want his snazzy orange uniform. Otherwise, the way that you get sneak experience from this is just being in close proximity to an enemy. There's really a kind of a cutoff of how close you really need to be in order to get the maximum amount of experience. Like, this is pretty much fine right here. I usually hang out just before I start getting radiated by this area, because there is a radioactive pool beneath us. And then I just use the sit on the floor mechanic so that technically I'm still crouched and sneaking because I was crouched before, but now I'm also sitting, so I'm not losing my different resources like hunger and sleep and needing to go to the bathroom quite as quickly. Those aren't depleting as fast, so I can just kind of chill here for a long time while he's doing his thing. And in case you're, you know, further in this game than just manufacturing, I've also got an X-ray cannon back there spinning to make sure nobody sneaks up behind me and tries to disembowel me. Specifically a certain invisible friend that we all have come to love and enjoy. And here you can kind of just sit and soak up experience, and then you can kind of monitor it here. It's a great way to just level up your sneaking. The other way that's really good is just getting sneak attacks on people when you're attacking them with melee weapons, because you can sneak up and hit them with one of your weapons, and however much damage you deal, the more damage, the more experience you gain from sneak attacking people. And then you get fun perks like the Office Assassin, where anytime someone's unaware, you deal double damage, even when you're standing. And then later you get Sneaking 20, called Interdimensional, and this one allows you to randomly just dodge attacks, which is really handy, because you get shot and blown up by pretty much everybody in this game. So there you go. Really easy way to level up your sneaking is just AFK behind an enemy that's unaware that you are there. You can get pretty gosh darn close before they notice anything. And this guy pretty much doesn't look behind him. So you can literally just rest right here. Although I wouldn't rest exactly up behind him like this, just because, well, you get irradiated. The goal is not to die while you're sitting here chilling out. Just make sure you're fed and slept, and you can go make dinner or something, come back, and you should have quite a bit of sneaking experience. So that's it for this one, ladies and gentlemen. I've been your host, Larry. Don't forget to like and subscribe. This has been a look at how to easily level sneaking for the 1.0 release, and I'll catch you next time. Bye, everybody, and have a good one.